Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, unplug your Dyson SV17 from the power source to ensure safety during the process. Next, locate the screws on the base of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the base to expose the internal components. Now take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the vacuum. Use the soft cloth to wipe down the areas around the motor and the dust canister. This will help maintain the efficiency of your vacuum. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. With the base removed, you will see the ring that needs to be changed. Carefully detach the old ring by gently prying it off with your flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. Once the old ring is removed, take your new ring and align it properly with the grooves. Press it firmly into place until you hear a click, indicating it is secured. After replacing the ring, it's time to reattach the base. Align it with the body of the vacuum and replace the screws you removed earlier. Ensure they are tightened securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the plastic. Once the base is back in place, give your vacuum a quick test. Plug it in and turn it on to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision without any pressure. Finally, take a moment to clean the exterior of your Dyson SV17. A clean vacuum not only looks good, but also performs better. Regular maintenance is key to prolonging the life of your appliance. If you need assistance at any point, don't hesitate to reach out for our professional diagnosis without obligation. We're here to help you keep your vacuum in top condition. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.